which is approximately a sonometer in each direction, covered with a very strange biological coating, a coating that is so strong that when the object is freshly removed, you can't cut through it with a surgical blade. The next slide is slide 1B, shows another kind of an object that we removed, another metallic rod, which is also covered with a like similar dark gray impervious membrane. And this material is also very strong, and you can't cut through it with a surgical blade. This is, within our technology, not possible. The majority of these objects, as I described, are these small metallic rods covered with this very strange biological coating. And quite recently, we found out that, I hope you're all sitting down, that this biological coating seems to be growing from the metallic structure within.
That those nanofibers could be carbon nanotubes. The correlation is pretty stark, actually. And so, again, having something like carbon nanotubes or nanofibers in this sort of object, you don't find these things in nature. They have to be somehow processed, engineered, and they're not easy to make. So this speaks of possibly some kind of advanced engineering of crystals, perhaps for the use of either harvesting energy or creating some kind of resonator. The combination of all these things, if we go to the conclusions, the combination of all this data indicates some kind of unusual engineering within this object. Elemental analysis indicates it's likely non-terrestrial. It could be meteoric, possibly. It could be something else. The SEM and Raman analysis indicate carbon nanotubes in the object. To date, carbon nanotubes have not been found in meteorites. There's one meteorite that's been analyzed that showed some kind of carbon onion structures or something resembling buckyballs, but nobody's ever found anything resembling carbon nanostructures or threads or fibers. So this is unusual in itself. And of course, the electromagnetic emissions indicate possibility of a functional device that may serve to monitor or control.